I'm really going to catch it again in the cinema hall on the 17th of June. I want to see it with with everybody there of the public. I'm very grateful a film like this has been made. I think it's very important that this sort of energy we put out into the world that we are living in today, a spiritually charged energy that comes from a great realized human being, is something we all need more than ever today, because the world is just being, and especially through the medium of cinema, which is the great, the biggest, the most powerful medium of entertainment and of reaching out to people. So it's just so lovely that योगानंद जी पे एक फिल्म बन गई है और वो अब सिनेमा हॉल्स में आएगी. And he has been a great spiritual power for the West for all these years. It's a pity that we haven't followed him as powerfully and as passionately, but hopefully things will change. And we really need this sort of energy coming into our space today, our space of the world. Very, very necessary.
Ma'am, it's an arts and worldly thing. So do you think a life of yogi can create a magic on box office?
Yes, I think so. The interesting thing is that somebody like Steve Jobs used to read the autobiography of a yogi every year. And apparently when he passed away, copies of autobiography of a yogi were distributed to people at his funeral, I know a lot of the greatest filmmakers, the most successful Hollywood filmmakers have studied the autobiography of a yogi like a Bible every year. If nothing, at least people who are commercially inclined very much in the material world can realize that there is a balance between materiality and the spirit. And you can't kill the spirit in search of materiality, otherwise that all the riches of the world mean nothing if you're spiritually not realized. नहीं, आप योगा को ट्रेंड नहीं बोल सकते हैं. ट्रेंड लोग बोलते हैं क्योंकि जो नहीं पता फिर को लगता है कुछ खास लोग उसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो वो ट्रेंड है. लेकिन जो लोग योगा करते हैं उनके लिए वो एक बहुत गहरी आत्मदर्शन है, जिसे कहते हैं अभिमुख होना, अपने आप से सम्मुख होना. तो ये ट्रेंड नहीं कह सकते योगा को. जिसने योगा का पथ पकड़ लिया वो भाग्यशाली है. जिसने नहीं पकड़ा उसे कुछ जन्म लेने पड़ेंगे समझने के लिए कि मैं कौन हूँ, क्या हूँ, कहाँ से आया हूँ और क्यों आया हूँ और आगे कहाँ जा रहा हूँ. The urban needs it even more because urban people are so disconnected with the nature. They're disconnected with their own bodies. They're disconnected with each other. Husbands don't connect to wives. Wives don't connect to husbands. Their husbands, respective husbands, I mean. Children, parents, everywhere where you see today the malaise of urban life is a deep disconnect. First of all with yourself, and naturally when it's with yourself, then you are disconnected with every other human being around you. So I think the urban needs a spiritual connect more than people who are, happily living closer to nature.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.